how to send same document to multiple people in PandaDoc. So here, first is you need to be on your account, and then you just need to open your document. So for example, this is your document, right? And you want to send this same document to multiple people. Now here, you just need to hover your mouse or click on this more recipients or manage recipients here at the right side. And then here you can see all of the recipients here. So here you can just click on this one, and then you can see all of your recipients here. So let's say I'm going to add a new one here. Now here I have multiple recipients that I can send the same document to multiple people, right? So if you're not satisfied with just 2, you can just click on this one here again, and then click on create new recipient, and then just type in anything here, their name, last name, their email, and their phone number. If you want to add more fields here, you can do that. So then click on create, and then you can start adding new recipients here. Now you can just start adding more to send it to the people that you want to send this same document to them. Okay, and then once you're done, you can just click on send, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.